Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing two products from Saint Botanica which were kindly sent to me by the brand. The very first product is this Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask. I am a coffee lover and I was very excited to try it out. And coffee has a lot of benefits that I will be explaining you as we proceed with the video. And the second product is this Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Night Cream. Now, if you have been following me from quite some time now, you know that I love my vitamin C and I always add it to my skincare. This is the first time that I have tried it in a cream form. If you are interested in knowing more about these two products, stay tuned and keep on watching. The first product is this Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. It is a 100-gram packaging and it is for all skin types, and all of the products from Saint Botanica are cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free. They have pure extracts and they have no added mineral oil, which is really great. And this retails for 499 rupees, which I think is a decent price, but you'll get it on some discount on Amazon. I will be dropping links for both the products in the description box down below so you can have a look. And also on this side, ingredients are mentioned and how to use and other stuff is mentioned. To name few ingredients, let me tell you all that it has purified water, glycerin, vitamin E, it has coffee extracts and also niacinamide and a lot of other good stuff here. This is how the actual product looks like. Let me show you all up close. I really love the packaging. It looks very classy. I especially love this golden cap. Now I'll quickly show you all how the texture of this product looks like. Like you can see, it has a very runny consistency. Since it's a coffee peel off mask, it has a lot of granules of coffee in it. It smells exactly like a coffee, a very strong coffee. If you are a coffee lover like me, you will definitely love this smell. Now, coffee has a lot of benefits. To name a few, it acts as an anti-aging property. It also acts on acne treatment. It reduces inflammation. It also reduces dark circles and also exfoliates your skin gently. Since coffee has a lot of skin benefits, if you're getting coffee in any form in your skincare, I think it's a win-win situation and I really love this product. Now I'll quickly show you all how to apply this product. This mask is completely dry and that's why you can see I am talking with closed lips. But yeah, the mask is completely dry and now I'll quickly start peeling it off, and you should always start from downward to upward direction. Like you just saw, it was so easy to take it off and my skin feels so amazing. Few points that I would quickly like to tell you all is that you should apply a thick layer of this mask all over your face because it will help you to take off the mask very easily. Like you all must have seen in the video, I took off the mask in just one go, so that was very easy. Also, you should always start taking it off from downward to upward. So take it off from your neck and then take it upwards towards your forehead. You can apply this mask once or twice a week for better results. That's all for this peel off mask, and now let's see the second product. This is how the outer packaging of the Vitamin C Night Cream looks like. It is pretty huge and nice. Now it says Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream. It's paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free and all of good stuff like I mentioned earlier. It is a 50-gram packaging. It suits all skin type and a lot of ingredients are mentioned right here. It is priced at 1199 rupees, which is approximately 1200 rupees, but you'll get it on some discount on Amazon, which I think is 1000 rupees. I will be dropping a link in the description box in case you're interested to check it out. And talking about the actual product, this is how the product looks like. This is the up close for you all. I really love the packaging of it. It is a plastic packaging, but it looks like a glass packaging. I really love the golden lid right here and I absolutely love the packaging of it. Now once you open it, you get a lid and then you have this cream. Talking about the texture of this cream, it is pretty thick. I will be applying it on the back of my hand for you all, just to show you all like how thick it is. Now since it's a night cream, I think the consistency is just perfect for the night cream. Night cream should always be little thick so that your skin is really moisturized and hydrated throughout the night, and you get up with a nice soft and supple skin. It absorbs very quickly, like you can see it is completely absorbed, and my hands feel so moisturized. It is non-greasy and it will suit all skin types. I have a combination skin and I really like this product. The only thing that is little bothering is the fragrance of it. It has a very strong citrusy smell, which I didn't like. I don't mind products having fragrances, but this one is little too strong. So if you are someone who don't like fragrances in your product, I think you will not like it just for the fragrance, but otherwise it has a lot of good stuff. The key ingredients, which are vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, are really good for your skin, and if you are getting a product which has all of these 3 ingredients in one, I think it is a really good deal. And vitamin C and hyaluronic acid is really good because it has anti-aging properties. It works on your fine lines and wrinkles. It gives you a younger, brighter and youthful skin. And vitamin E helps you to get a soft, supple and hydrated skin. Now I'll quickly show you all the application of this cream on my face. I've been using this night cream for more than 10 days now, and I've been loving it completely because I love the texture of it. It absorbs into my skin very easily. It doesn't feel greasy at all, and at the same time it gives enough moisture to my skin, and it has all of my favorite skincare ingredients that I really love, and I always look forward to incorporate these ingredients in my skincare, which is vitamin E, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. With this, I finished my review video. I hope you really liked it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, be a part of my virtual family, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.